Let your lawn breathe deeply with the Sunjoe AJ801E Electric Scarifier Plus Lawn Dethatcher. Thatch is a dense mat of roots, stems, bent stalks, and grass clippings that accumulate over time, blocking the flow of water and nutrients to your lawn. Regularly removing thatch is important for maintaining green and healthy grass. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, Sunjoe rakes an impressive 12.6-inch wide path, while the 8-gallon collection bag catches thatch and detaches easily for quick, convenient disposal. And Sunjoe has 24 spring tines that stay sharp longer for reliable performance. Scarifying your grass at regular intervals cuts roots and encourages growth for a thick, lush lawn. Simply twist the 5-position control knob to adjust the raking depth from minus 0.4 inches below the surface to 0.4 inches above the soil. While ordinary rakes can be tiresome and ineffective, AJ801E starts instantly with the simple push of a button, doing the job in less time with zero toxic emissions and never a need for a tune-up. So, give your lawn some love and go with Joe. The Sunjoe AJ801E 12-amp Electric Scarifier Plus Lawn Dethatcher. Get equipped.
Greenworks G-Max 40 V17 brushed mower with 4Ah battery and charger 2,508,302 model. Cordless outdoor power equipment is ideal for homeowners like you who are simplifying and focusing on what's essential to getting the most out of life. The Greenworks GMAX40V family of tools are built with medium-weight construction and high-efficiency motors. The universal 40V battery system powers more than 25 products and provides gas-like performance with ample running time for normal yard projects. Of high-quality manufacturing, these products are easy to start and lighter weight than the gas products you're used to, making your day of yard work a whole lot easier. Your purchase includes one Greenworks G-Max 40 V17 brushed pull mower, 2,508,302 model with 4Ah battery and charger. Lawn mower dimensions 52.05 liters x 19.21 watts x 41H battery capacity 4Ah battery life, approx. 2000 charge cycles wheels size 7 and 8 cutting width 17. 2-in-1 feature offers rear bagging and mulching capability for multiple use. The unit is made of high-quality durable plastic, which allows it to be light in weight and easy to maneuver. Single-lever 5-position height adjustment offers cutting height range from 1 to 1/4 inch to 3/3/8 inch for the best cut in all environments. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles.
If you're not convinced mower under $200 that's electric is worth getting, then I don't know what will convince you. Other than the cord, which is obviously something you have to work around, it's pretty good. Look at that. It seriously cuts grass. That's really freaking tall. Jaden, stay right here, buddy. Stay here. Mommy's mowing. No gas, no fumes.
Greenworks 20-inch 3-in-1 12-amp electric corded lawn mower 25022. Electric corded mower with a powerful 12-amp motor, extension cord not included. Durable 20-inch steel deck. 3-in-1, mulching, side discharge, and rear bag. 7-position height adjustment offers a range of cutting height from 1.5 to 3/3/4 inches for all grass types. Push-button start. Drive system, manual. 4-year tool warranty protects your investment. Foldable handles for compact storage. Click the link in the description to get more information about this product.